Hi, I'm Mike. After a few days away from the ranch, I'm back. And today we take a look at coming back home, a few of the changes that have happened while I was gone, and getting back to work on our Wyoming life.
Can you paint me back home in Wyoming? Paint me back in Wyoming again.
Welcome back. Thanks for coming along again. Well, I guess it's a welcome back for me as well. Just flew back into Gillette. I've been off the ranch probably just as long as you have, and now it's time for me to get back to, well, maybe get away from civilization for a little bit. Head back out into the wide open spaces and get back to work. So I have been in the Hoosier state of Indiana for the past few days. If you caught Sunday's video, you saw a live stream from there. We had a really cool opportunity. Well, I guess I did, and I guess all of us did, to hang out with some friends of the channel, some of which we've never actually met before, and we got the chance to sit down and talk about our experience from there. So I've got more coming to you from the great state of Indiana in future videos, but today is all about getting back to the family and the ranch. I've missed it, and I imagine you have too. So be sure to hit subscribe and hit that like button as well, and hit the little bell so you get notified when we have a new video come out. We're heading back out to the ranch. We're gonna see what's changed while I've been gone. I can already see that the grass is a lot greener over the last few days. Gary has been helping out. Our neighbor Gary's been helping out while I've been gone. He's been helping Aaron. He's been taking care of the feeding. He's been checking cows. We're still calving, so he's been looking out for new calves and making sure that all those little ones are okay. And when we get home, we're gonna go out in the pasture and take a look around and find us some newborn little calves. Also, Aaron received in the mail while we were gone brand new baby chickens. Those should be in the shop, and we're gonna check in and see how they're doing. Aaron got some spring planting as well, so I think we'll take a quick stop by the garden and see what's going on there too. The barn bottle calves, the guys that have been living in the barn, Rudolph and Jellybean, I heard a rumor that they got moved outside for one reason or another, so we'll see what's up with that. And I'm sure that there's much more that we missed over the last few days, so let's just hurry up and get home. And now, all we have to do is find Aaron. Erin's out here and about somewhere. But before we go and find her, we have to get the cows fed. Just like your car at home, you have to love it when somebody else drives your tractor. The steering wheel, the seat adjustments, they all have to be returned to normal before heading out. Gary was nice enough to leave us one bale right here, so we'll take it out with us and we'll get it fed. This time of year, a lot of cows are out chasing grass. That is, eating what grass is growing early in the season. Most grasses around here have not yet received the heat or the sunshine needed to start putting on height. Right now, they're just establishing their bases just as fast as cows are eating it down. Because of that, we're still feeding here, even in the middle of May. The more roughage we can put into the cows in the form of hay, the better the grass in this area will grow, and the less the cows will eat it down. Until branding, this pasture is going to get attacked by cows, all chasing the green grass. After getting some feed out, we'll let them come and eat and head back to the shop, where the baby chicks that arrived here just a few days ago are living. Erin has put them in what we call the chick cubby hole, and they have food and water and a heat lamp to keep them warm.
What you doing?
Scared the crap out of me.
How was your flight?
Hi.
Sorry.
Where were you?
Out the tunnels.
Oh, I haven't made it that far yet. We'll get there eventually. We're gonna go around, we're looking at stuff that changed while I was gone. So, what have you done in the tunnel?
I planted some stuff.
What did you plant in the tunnel?
I planted peppers and cucumbers, but you can't see the cucumbers yet because they're just seeds.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you got the who McGizzy's built
The raised beds.
raised beds. Yeah.
Yeah, it's changed.
Okay.
Spring progress.
I still got a bunch of stuff to do, so as my heart calms down, we can get ready to head out and check the cows. Now, this is a great time of year. The sun is shining and the dust, well, it hasn't kicked up too bad yet. And it's the perfect time to head out in the gator doorless. This won't last long. Once the bugs are out, the rain slows up a bit, and the dust starts to fly, the doors will go back on. In fact, they may go on tomorrow. It might snow, for all we know. But for now, it's as close to a convertible as we can get. And the cows are intrigued by it. It's a new look to the gator for them. And all of a sudden, we're a lot more accessible. And sometimes, a bit too accessible. Overall, when I was gone, we've had 10 new calves born on the ranch with no problems whatsoever. Gary did a great job, and so did Erin, who had even more than the ranch to deal with. While I was gone, Erin was attacked by preschoolers who came out to visit the ranch. With the bottle calves in the barn, she decided that she'd move them outside where they could be more easily visited. So now they live in the outside corrals, in the lap of the sun and the luxury, except for the neighbors. They're a little noisy. I gotta tell you, I am so glad to be back. There's still plenty to do. We still have to finish Erin's store. Erin wants to be open within the next couple weeks. The gardens need planted, irrigation needs set up, corral work needs done, and I don't even think any of that stuff is actually on the project list. But today, to be honest, all I really care about is one thing. And with the kids recently home from school, it's time to go say hi. The best part about any trip is coming home. You can miss the ranch, you can miss all the animals, you can really miss the lack of people. I'm talking to you, airport crowds. But what you really miss is what makes a home, and that's family. This is Mackenzie. She's my oldest daughter. She's going on 18 years old. How old are you?
8.
8. Oh, I thought you were 18.
You forgot?
I didn't forget. Sometimes you just act older than what you are.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Very rarely.
Very rarely. Is there anything that you would like to say to everybody at home?
Hi there, I'm Mackenzie. I'm definitely not 18 years old. And I'm happy. I missed Daddy all this time that he was gone, and I'm really happy for him to be back home and to have more fun with him again.
Well, that's very nice of you. Thank you, Mackenzie. And thanks to you for watching us once again as we go through what makes a ranch, inviting you every single time to come and escape the ordinary and explore the ranch life with us. Please subscribe, hit that bell button so you get notifications when our new videos come out, and be sure to join us on Thursday for our weekly live stream happening right here on YouTube at 7 p.m.
It smells like poop.
What?
The cat's pooping. I can't help it. It's not disgusting.
All right, there's a cat over here that's apparently going to the bathroom.
Pooping.
We'll see you later. Have a great week, and thanks for joining us in our Wyoming life.
Now I'm burying in the soup.